How would you do when creating multiple layers directory? Use mkdir to create the first layer and cd into it. Then the second one, and so on. That would need lots of keystrokes. This command has an option -p, which can save your wrists and hands. For example, or in some cases, you can use brace expansion to do the similar things. Now, if you want to learn more tips about Linux commands, I put together a PDF guide of the 50 most useful Linux commands. You can check it out in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video.